This is day 3 of the great snowpocalypse of 2026. And it didn't get as snowy and as apocalyptic as we anticipated or the news said, but we still have a good bit of snow. So I want to test out this RS06-2 and see what it can do. So I've just got the bucket on it and I've already cleared off my driveway just testing it out, and this thing's awesome. So I got onto my Facebook group for my neighborhood and I said, hey, anybody need help with their driveway? Because I'm out and about and want to do some clearing. And I have a neighbor who she can use some help with her driveway. So I'm going to run over there with the RS6-2 and let's see how it works clearing. Because so far, I'm really impressed. Now the road is really packed down and icy. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually really thick because we don't have plows here in Oklahoma. So people just drive on it and it packs it down and it's going to be here for a while. So I'm going to see if this thing can cut through the road. Well, not really the road, our ice road, and get down to the asphalt underneath. Yeah, come along with me and let's check this thing out. Look, it's a beast. If I do this on occasion, there'll be some spots where the sun will hit the asphalt, start to melt it up a little bit, and give people traction. Barely even notices if there's anything on the surface. Monster. I'm excited. Let's go. I don't know exactly where your driveway is.
Okay, it goes all the way to where these trees are. It's the driveway, and then all around that's gravel.
So where's it? Like this?
Yeah, you're right there.
Like right there? Okay.
And if you want, like, really, if you just want to scrape it to, like, right at that tree line, I'm fine with that.
Like where that carving is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, I mean, then we can get out. I mean, you can get out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Easy enough.
That's cool.
So far, this thing is acting like the RS6-1. It's got that D1105, and it's got that big single pump in there. I don't know what kind it is, but it's a monster. And it doesn't bog down for anything. It's wild. All right, let's go down to the bottom and let's clean this area out so they can get out of the garage. Better.
I love it. Okay, I'll let you video.
Okay.
Still want to play around with it?
What do you mean?
Or like after you're done here, or do you have to go home?
I do want to play with it some more.
Okay, you know, they live on
Yeah, the coach.
the corner.
Yeah.
They would, if you want to do their driveway,
Okay.
if you have time. If you don't, then don't worry about it.
We'll see how alive my toes are by then. All right. That was the first real job I've done with this RS6-2. And it's a beast. It didn't bog once. It did everything I asked it to do. Look at this driveway. I mean, I know it's pretty easy, it's just moving some snow and ice, but yeah, you know what? While I'm out and I'm bundled up and I got the machine, let me go knock out some more neighbors' driveways. Come on. This thing's amazing. I'm a big fan, but I've got a big problem is I don't have warm shoes. So I'm going in, emergency run inside, warm my feet up. I can barely feel them anymore. So good times. RS6-2 is a monster so far. I am a fan so far. For pushing snow and running around with a bucket, I am a big fan. I've got to use this thing on some other projects I have coming up because it's fast, it's stable, it does everything you ask, it doesn't bog. Just need to get some attachments on this thing and see how it does. So thanks for sticking around. Not a super exciting video, but it did give me the opportunity to put some hours on this machine. Let's see what it's at right now. I think I was at 1.5 earlier today because I just haven't been able to use it. I don't have anything to use a bucket with, and I don't have the adapter yet. Why? There's a Bobcat attachment plate on there when I have 30 Dingo style attachments. I'm at 3.2 hours. So I ran it just under 2 hours today. And it was really cold, but it did great. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.